Hi, welcome to Julie's Tips Learn How to Use Folk. In this video, I'll explain how to add and manage multiple senders in your workspace, so you and your team can start sending email campaigns seamlessly. First, if you're using the custom sender option, you can add unlimited emails as long as they're from the same verified domain. Go to your settings and open the sender section. Click New Sender, enter the email address you want to add, for example, a teammate's email, and the sender's name you want recipients to see. Folk will then send a verification email to that address. To complete the setup, the owner of that inbox just needs to click Verify in the email. If you're using the Gmail sender option, you can also add unlimited senders from the same Google Workspace domain. Go to your settings, Sender section, and click New Sender. Sign in with the Google account you want to use. Once authenticated, the sender will be added to your list. Note that a workspace can't combine both Gmail senders and custom senders. You'll have to pick one or the other option. Now you can set up your signature. You can create a custom signature for each sender, and Folk will automatically insert it when you compose an email using that sender. Click the three dots next to the sender's name and select Manage Signature. Add your signature content. You can include text, links, or even your company logo. Now that your senders are set up, you can choose who you're sending from anytime you start an email campaign. Click Email All to start a new email from your groups. In the From section, you can choose the sender you want to use from the list. All replies will go straight to the selected sender's inbox. And that's it. You're now ready to set up and manage your senders in Folk and send campaigns as a team.